The story is The Lost Letter. In a small town, there was a young woman named Lily who worked in a cozy bookstore. She loved reading about adventurous and romance, but her own life felt quite ordinary. One rainy afternoon, Lily found an old, dusty letter hidden between the pages of an old book. The letter was addressed to "My dearest Emma" and was dated 1942. It was filled with passionate words from a man named James, who had promised to return to Emma after the war. Lily was intrigued. She wondered what had happened to James and Emma. The letter had no written address, and Lily felt a strong urge to find out if Emma had ever received it. Determined, Lily set out on a quest. She visited local archives, spoke with the town's elderly residents, and even looked through old newspapers. After weeks of searching, she discovered that Emma had lived in a charming house on the outskirts of town. With the help of a local historian, Lily found Emma's granddaughter, Rose, who was now living in the family home. Rose was excited and emotional when she saw the letter. She had heard stories about Emma's love for James, but she never knew if they had reunited. Rose explained that Emma had been waiting for James for many years, but he never returned. Emma had always kept the letter close to her heart, and it was a bittersweet reminder of their love. Rose invited Lily to meet Emma's old friends who shared stories about Emma and James. Lily learned that Emma had eventually married someone else, but she had always cherished James' memory. Touched by the story, Lily wrote an article for the local newspaper about Emma and James' love, ensuring their story would be remembered. The article brought the community together, and many people came to the bookstore to learn more about the romance that had touched their town. Lily felt a deep sense of fulfillment. Her ordinary life had been transformed by discovering and sharing a piece of history. She realized that even small acts of curiosity and kindness could lead to extraordinary journeys, and in the end, Lily found that her own life was richer for having uncovered the story of a timeless love, reminding her that every heart has a story worth discovering.